So coming in at number 5 is the Mullin S8. Now this device is pretty sweet because it's got a nice refillable pod and the battery life on it lasts more than 1 day, which I love. Filling it up takes only a second on the bottom with the flap that you just kind of pull and sauce up, and it goes nice. And then you just pop it back in and you're good to go, really. And overall it's smooth and sleek and I love it. This is a great everyday device for me and might just be one for you too. So go check that out. Alright. Number 4 is the Inokin EQ. This is a little purple device we got here and it's pretty sweet. The one thing that's really cool about this device is it has mesh coils, so killer flavor. And it's like, you know, a pretty nice device. So the pod, just like on the Mullin, is magnetic and it clicks back into place, which is really nice. And it's got a matte finish on it, which is very grippy. And unlike something like the Mullin, it does not collect a lot of fingerprints, which I love. It's a very nice device and it's pretty cheap. Links for this device and all devices are down in the description, so go check them out. But let's move on. Number 3 is not an ultra portable system, rather it is an entire setup. The Vapes Drag 2 Mini and the Vapes U-Force tank that came out for this kit right here. This stuff, top to bottom, it's an amazing little device. It's got this crazy resin on it, and it says drag on the other side. Fill it up with some grape juice and it's good to go. The one thing I love about this device is the brand new gene chip it has. It ramps up almost instantly to whatever wattage or temperature you have it programmed to, which is way nicer than the previous one, which had some lag issues that Vapes has totally fixed now. Now pair that with the Vapes Drag Mini and it is amazing. This internal battery has killer designs on it and goes up to 117 watts, which is more than ample for this setup, considering I'm only chucking it at 25 watts. And it goes really nice together. This is a great little setup. So in the number 2 spot, we got the Mini by Vape IQ. Now this device is really small and really sweet, and I really like it a lot. It's kind of shaped like the iPod Mini or Nano, like we used to have. And with the top pod that just pops out, it slides in really nice. Now, a lot of people don't like this device, so you might be wondering, well, why is it in my number 2 position? And that's very simple. It's because it's super duper portable. It's got a good battery life, and you know, it just seems durable from my experience. I like this device not only for the flavor it provides, but also for the hand feel. And when I put it in my pocket, it doesn't take up a lot of space, which I really like. Overall, it's a pretty sweet little device, so go check it out. The number 1 device for my top picks this month goes to the Pahlavi. This device is freaking insane. It's got Bluetooth technology, so you can connect it to your device. Like I have it connected to my iPad, and I just adjust its wattage on the fly, which is so sweet. Now it comes with 2 pods, one specifically designed for salt nick and one designed for regular nick, so you have a bunch of options. It's got this faux leather wrap on it that feels really premium, and along with the brushed stainless steel, the whole device is amazing. It's got a 1450 milliamp hour battery, which lasts multiple days, and it's got a very smooth finish to it that just fits perfectly in your hand. The clouds you get on it are freaking insane. Like, this device just clouds the fuck up, which is nuts. And overall, this device is crazy. Stay tuned for a full review of this device coming up next week, because this thing is incredible. You'll love this device. It's nuts. But that's my top pick for this month. And if you guys are interested in any of these devices, as I said before, links are down in the description, so go check them out. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, and head on over to fucking and ask us to find you some shit, because we love finding people shit. Well, till next time, guys, peace. the fuck out.